Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to download and install Steam on your Windows computer. Follow these easy steps. On your browser, open store.steampowered.com and you will directly jump into Steam official website. Here, just click on Install Steam. And here you will get Steam installer. All you have to need, click on that to download the Steam installer. And now it's time to run the Steam installer. To do that, click on this Steam setup.exe. Click on yes to start installation. And now click on next, and select your language. Click on next, and now you can change the Steam install location by clicking on browse. Once done, click on install. Once the Steam installed successfully, now here you will get this pop-up to sign into your Steam account. So all you have to need, enter here your Steam account name and password and click on sign in. And now you have to verify your Steam account email address. So go to your Gmail and collect the verification code. Enter the verification code here. And then you will directly jump into your Steam account. And now you can easily use Steam on your computer. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.